Wabtec, one of Europe's leading transportation manufacturers, brings you the ESP4C. ESP4C, the universal sliding plug door mechanism, can be fitted to a wide range of train types, from light rails and metros to high-speed regional trains. The ESP4C has been chosen by operators all over the world, including CAF in France, Alstom in Canada, and Hyundai Rotem in Tanzania and South Korea, for use in both metros and regional trains. This highly reliable sliding plug mechanism is the product of over 30 years of expertise in electric doors and sliding plugs. 20,000 belt-driven systems are in service worldwide. A single actuator for the double-leaf door unlocking function further guarantees reliable performance. This universal mechanism is highly standardized, as single and double door configurations share 70% identical parts. Its design is 30% more compact and 20 kilograms lighter than previous products, thanks to continuous refinement. Less weight and volume means space and energy savings for operators. Wabtec can help you open new doors with ESP4C, its reliable, universal, lighter and more compact sliding plug mechanism.